Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Knowledge by Shazia. Today, in this my new video, I am going to explain you about the most important topic for your examination point of view, that is how a client was saved, or Rustumji's case. It may be asked for a short notes how a client was saved, or they may ask Rustumji's case. This is chapter 19, which is mentioned in Law and Lawyers by M.K. Gandhi. Let me explain you what is the case about. How a client was saved. Here I have mentioned here the highlights of this case, that is Rustumji's case. Gandhiji speaks about Parsi Rustumji, who first became his co-worker and then his client. He won Parsi's confidence. Gandhiji speaks about Parsi Rustumji. Rustumji, he is one of the worker and also a client who won Parsi's confidence. They are closely related with each other. Rustumji and Gandhiji, they are like they maintain friendly relations. Rustumji, who is Rustumji? Rustumji is a co-worker and a client of Mahatma Gandhiji, and he got little bit confidence. Gandhiji got little bit confidence on Parsi Rustumji. So, what is the profession of Parsi Rustumji? Who he is and what he is doing? He would follow every advice that Gandhi gave, even including his private domestic matters. He would follow every advice. Gandhiji's advice, Gandhiji's advice. Rustumji follows Gandhiji's advice, even including not only the private but also in the domestic and also the personal matters. What are all the matters relating to the private or a personal or a domestic? Rustumji is very much closely connected to Gandhiji. As usual, he take guidance and advice from Mahatma Gandhiji. Gandhiji tells about how Parsi, who kept on informing about the affairs to him as he was a large importer of goods from Bombay and Calcutta. Now, what is the profession of Parsi Rustumji? What he is doing? He is a businessman. Rustumji is a businessman and he imports the goods from Bombay to Calcutta. He was into smuggling. As he was on the best terms with the custom officials, he was not a suspect. So, Parsi Rustumji, he is doing a well good business. He imports the goods from Bombay to Calcutta, and little bit he is interfered in smuggling also. He speaks about the use of simile from the Gujarati poet Akho, theft like quicksilver won't be suppressed, and Parsi Rustumji proved no exception. So they are giving the example of a poet called Akho, who is a Gujarati poet who always uh, give an expression about the theft like quicksilver won't be suppressed. This is the important expression which is given by Gujarati poet, that is Akho. He is remembered this statement, and even for that expressed statement, Parsi Rustumji is also like the same. He had not told about the smuggling to Gandhiji, and hence, in guilt, he went to him in tears and opened up about everything and said that he deserved to be jailed and ruined. So, already I have told you, Rustomji is interfered in smuggling and he did not give information about the smuggling to Mahatma Gandhiji. Gandhiji knows that Rustomji is the businessman, well good businessman, and he import the goods from Bombay to Calcutta. But he interfere in smuggling. He is doing smuggling also. That information is not given to Gandhiji. Even Gandhiji does not know about what Rustomji is doing smuggling. Now what happens? Rustomji was he was attacked and he was what he was doing in smuggling. While sometimes he was guilty, hence he went to the tears and opened up about everything to Gandhiji. In one or another day, Rustomji was attacked by the police because he is doing smuggling along with importing goods of business. So at that time, he got tears and then he visited to Mahatma Gandhiji and he narrated the information what he got in the previous days. Now, what happens next? Gandhiji, who could save him from that predicament, he did nothing from Gandhi except for this because he thought of not bothering him with this trick of trade and never told about the smuggling part. Rustumji go to went to meet Gandhiji and he narrated that he was guilty of doing that business of smuggling. And then what happens? He got tears and he narrated with Gandhiji that Gandhiji is the only person who can save the Parsi Rustumji. That's why he narrated everything what was happened during that importing goods. So now Gandhiji was little bit shocked because he is friendly with Rustomji and also he is one of the client and also co-worker of Mahatma Gandhiji. But he does not know that Rustomji is doing like this business. So Gandhiji was shocked. Now Rustomji is requesting Mahatma Gandhiji to save him and he is the only one who can save him in his business. Gandhi, next, hearing to this, Gandhi replied, everything, including saving you, in all in his hands, and save him in through the means of confession. Now, Gandhiji, after hearing from Rustumji, and he told that if possible, what in his hands he can support him and he can help him, but only through confession. Like that, Gandhiji told to Rustumji. Now, hearing to this, Gandhiji added that Parsi had not done anything wrong to him but wrong to the government. Hence, his confession to him is of no use. Gandhiji is also telling that Rustumji is friendly to Gandhiji and he has not done anything to Gandhiji. He maintained a very good relationship and a friendly relations with Gandhiji. But he has done a mistake in his business and he has done a wrong to the government but not to the Gandhiji. But Gandhiji is trying to save Rustumji. Now we'll see what happens and how Gandhiji helped to Rustumji. Parsi told that he would do exactly of what was advised to him and asked whether he would consult his old counsel regarding this, who was to be a friend of Gandhi. Later, they went to the council, who went through the papers and told that the case would be tried by a jury and a Natal. Now, the matter was discussed with a council, Gandhiji, along with the documents and the papers. What the matter was took place with Rustumji, all that was uh, discussed with a jury, and where he is in a Natal, and he went all to the council with all the papers and the documents. Jury would be the last to acquit an Indian. So Parsi replied by saying thank you and added that he would be like to be guided by Gandhi and would follow him. Now Rustomji is ready to follow the advice of Gandhiji, what Gandhiji advises him. And even he is ready to take the guidance from Gandhiji itself. So Gandhiji told his point of view to Parsi that he should be taken to the court if it would be waste of time, as the decision was of the custom officer to prosecute you and or let you go, and in turn will have to be guided by the attorney general. So now Gandhiji decided everything. He discussed the matter with the council, and now he is telling to Rustumji that it is the matter of the court, so it takes a very lengthy period and it is a waste of time for both the advocates and even Rustumji's also. So that's why Gandhiji is telling to Rustumji that going to court is a waste of time, and even, and it is one of the decision Gandhiji gave that the custom officer has to uh, come with Rustumji, then only the problem will be solved. So the custom officer to prosecute you or let you go in turn will have to be guided by the attorney general. So what how the matter was discussed with the council, and the attorney general has already guided that this matter has to be settled outside the court because it is a good thing, and if the matter is goes to the court, then it is a waste of time. So that's why Gandhiji told Rustumji to be settled outside the court. Now he was prepared to meet both, thus asked Parsi to pay penalty that the custom officer fixes, and added that if not, he must be ready to go to jail, as in Gandhi's opinion, the shame lies not so much in going to jail as in committing the offense. Now, Gandhiji explaining to Rustumji that to take a well good decision and to solve the problem immediately, you have to take my advice that you have to settle outside the court. If you go to the court, then it takes a lengthy period and it is also a waste of time. So if you want to go to court, you can go, it depends on you. And if you are ready to go to jail, then it's your wish, you can go. But Gandhiji's opinion is that it is a shameful thing. So that's why it if it if it possible, you just go and compromise or with the general, or that is custom officer. So now what happens? Parsi did not take so well, but gave himself to Gandhiji and to do exactly what he says. The custom officer told Gandhiji he was under his duties and had to be guided by the Attorney General. Now, Gandhiji explains to Parsi Rustumji that if you want to go to jail, you can, if you are well wish. Otherwise, you can settle outside the court. Now Rustumji is telling that it is a shameful thing. So that's why what the advice was given by the Gandhiji, I will follow that guidance. I will be very thankful to Gandhiji that the decision and advice was in a very good manner. So it is the custom officer who told Gandhiji he was under the duties. So the duty of the custom officer has to be followed, and that's why he has to be guided by the attorney general. Then Gandhiji went to the attorney general and told him everything, and he was happy of Gandhiji's frankness and was convicted that he hid nothing from the attorney general. And now custom officer is very happy, and he feels very happy because Gandhiji is frank and he narrated each and everything in detail, and it is not true, and it's true what the frankness Gandhiji was narrated to custom officer feels very happy that the Gandhiji with the frank he narrated everything, each and everything in a detailed manner. So that's why he's very happy. Now both of them, Rustumji and Gandhiji, with the advice of the Attorney General, the custom officer and the Rustumji was both compromised. Rustumji has to pay the penalty. So how much penalty? That is equal to twice the amount he had confessed to having smuggled, who reduced to writing the facts of the whole case, got the papers framed, and hung it up in his office to serve as a perpetual reminder to his heirs and fellow merchants. Now, both the matter was settled and was compromised, and Rustumji has to pay the twice the amount. Twice means it is a double amount Rustumji has to pay the penalty, and what the paper which was presented, and it was in the facts which was written in the papers. Those are all mentioned in the papers, which was hung it in the office, and later on it was settled. Now, those friends of Rustumji warned Gandhiji not to be taken by this transitory contrition, and when Rustumji asked what the warning, he said, "What would be my fate if I deceived you?" So, by concluding this matter, Rustomji is also very happy that he followed the guidance and advice of Mahatma Gandhiji, and also Mahatma Gandhiji, he also motivate and he advised in a good manner with a frank. So this Gandhiji settled the matter outside the court by compromise. So this is about the Rustomji's case, or how a client was saved. So this is about the topic, that is case of Rustomji, and it is for short notes. So if you want the notes of this case, you can take the screenshot of this, and you can go through this and you may get the information with regarding this case. So thank you guys. Thank you. So if you get more notification of this channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and see you for the next video of my channel. Thank you.